Hello, my name's Lissy from Stafford Land Rover, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Land Rover Defender 110 3-litre D350 X-Dynamic HSE. Now, this vehicle is a diesel with an automatic transmission, is ULEZ compliant and is finished in Santorini black. To start off with then, you have your Matrix LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with this, you also have 20-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels with a grey finish, really complementing against the Santorini black exterior colour. You also have keyless entry, which allows you to either lock or unlock the vehicle, even if the keys are in the bottom of your bag or perhaps even your pocket. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, you can find your full-size spare alloy wheel, ideal for any occasion you may need it. And as we open up the boot, you can see that you have a substantial amount of room. You could easily fit in a large size suitcase or perhaps a pushchair. Also located within the boot is your deployable tow bar controls, and this allows you to tow things such as a caravan or a trailer. Moving to the rear seats, you can find the ebony leather upholstery. The rear seats do have ISOFIX fittings, ideal for small children's car seats. And as we move in through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system, and as we pan around again, you find that lovely upholstery providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. Now, this vehicle has a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, which is also heated, you have your hands-free options, volume controls, and of course your cruise control, ideal for those longer journeys. Taking a look at the dash, you can see this vehicle has done 9,253 miles, however this is subject to change. On your infotainment system, you have everything you may need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system, which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. DAB radio, which is all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. Along with this, you have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, allowing you to use Apple or Google Maps or perhaps just listen to your own music. 4x4 information and terrain response drive modes. Both these individual features make the vehicle suited for most off-road terrain and any off-road adventures you may plan or find yourself on, ensuring you always stay safe and comfortable no matter what. Pairing with this is the off-road feature on the 360 view camera, allowing you to see what's next to you on those off-road days. And of course, you also have the 360 view, which allows you to see almost every angle of the vehicle, making manoeuvring and reversing so much easier. You are able to control the tow bar from within the comfort of the cabin. The front seats in this vehicle are both heated and ventilated, ideal for those hot summer days as well as those colder winter ones. And this is paired with the dual zone climate control, so you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger. This has been a presentation on the Land Rover Defender 110 3-litre D350 X-Dynamic HSE that's now available to purchase from Stafford Land Rover. For more information, please contact our sales team.